Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at a powerful tool that can help you save time and get better results online. Make sure you watch this video.
Hey Jarvis, create a social media post about daily motivation.
Post ready, boss.
Upload it to all my connected social media platforms.
Done, boss. It's live across your connected platforms.
Okay, now create a cinematic luxury car ad and upload it to my social
media.
Done,
boss. Your video is ready. Anything else you'd like me to handle?
Yes.
Of course, boss. I'm ready. What's next?
Hello, and welcome to this quick demo of Agent Jarvis. Let's start with the heart of the platform, Agent Jarvis. This is where everything begins. Simply type what you need in plain English, or just tap the microphone and say it using your voice, just like you're chatting and talking with a real assistant. Jarvis understands your request, creates a plan, and starts doing the work automatically. Now let's see a few real-world examples. Hey Jarvis, summarize my unread emails, draft professional replies, and schedule them for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Within seconds, Jarvis scans your inbox, reads your unread emails, identifies the important ones, summarizes every conversation, and even tells you which emails require immediate attention. Instead of spending 30 minutes reading emails, you get everything summarized in seconds. Your inbox becomes organized without you opening a single email. Summarized your inbox, prepared every reply, and scheduled them for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Need new customers for your business? Simply ask, find 100 dentists with business name, website, phone number, and email. And Jarvis searches for businesses, collects verified contact information, organizes everything into a clean list, and prepares it for outreach. No manual searching, no copying and pasting. No spreadsheets to build yourself. Whether you're finding restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, lawyers, salons, dentists, or any local business, Jarvis builds your prospect list automatically. Perfect for freelancers, marketing agencies, sales teams, or anyone looking for new clients. Now here's where things get really powerful. Imagine creating content and publishing it everywhere without lifting a finger. Simply tell Jarvis, create an Instagram post about daily morning motivation. Jarvis writes the content, creates the AI image, and prepares everything for publishing. But it doesn't stop there. After connecting your social media accounts, simply say, publish this post on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Jarvis automatically uploads the content, adds the caption, publishes it to every connected platform, and confirms when everything is live. No downloading, no uploading, no switching between apps, just one command, and your content is everywhere. Now imagine doing the same with YouTube. Simply tell Jarvis what kind of video you want to create. Whether it's kids and education, fitness, finance, gaming, tech, business, travel, or any other topic or niche. For example, I'll create a kids and education video. Jarvis, create a 3D kids video with rhymes for YouTube and upload it to my channel. And that's it. Jarvis automatically uploads the video to YouTube and takes care of everything. including an SEO-optimized title, description, relevant tags, and hashtags generated specifically for your video. One simple command, one fully optimized video, zero manual work. But this is just an example. You can choose any category, any topic, and any type of video based on your needs. Jarvis generates the script, creates the visuals, prepares the title, writes the description, adds the tags, uploads the complete video to your YouTube channel, and publishes it automatically. From a simple idea to a complete YouTube channel without YouTube Studio or any video editor. That's the power of Agent Jarvis. One AI agent, one command, everything handled for you. And it doesn't stop there. Once your video is live, Jarvis can automatically reply to comments and keep the conversation going. For example, user, comment, "This video is amazing." Jarvis Auto, reply, "Thank you, glad you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more." Jarvis can also auto-comment on your videos to encourage more engagement and interaction. So you create it once, and Jarvis takes care of the rest. And the best part? You don't even need to be in front of your computer. You can use Agent Jarvis directly from your phone through Telegram. From your phone, you can handle emails, research, content creation, social media posts, videos, lead generation, and much more, all with a simple message. Just tell Jarvis what you want and it gets to work. For example, summarize my last 5 emails, draft replies, schedule the one for Johnson for 3 p.m. Thursday, then post the product update across all my social channels and find me 20 leads in the fitness niche. One message, multiple tasks. Jarvis handles them all. Same for videos, you can simply tell Jarvis, "Hey Jarvis, create a cinematic luxury perfume ad with a premium dark aesthetic, dramatic lighting, smooth camera movements, and a high-end commercial look. Make it fully ready to share." And Jarvis gets to work. In just a moment, Jarvis creates a beautiful, engaging, ready-to-share video without you having to open any editing software. Now, if you want to publish it, you don't need to open Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other platform. Just tell Jarvis, "Jarvis, upload this video across all my social media platforms and publish it with an engaging caption, relevant hashtags, and optimized content for each platform." And that's it. With one simple command, Jarvis automatically publishes your video across all your connected social media platforms without opening a single platform yourself. Think about how much time that saves. One message, one command, multiple platforms. Jarvis handles it all. Next, let's explore social automation. This is your complete social media management hub. Here, you can manage all your published posts from one place, whether they're for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, or any other connected platform. No more jumping between different apps or dashboards. View every published post, organize your content, filter posts by platform, track performance, monitor engagement, and keep your entire content history neatly organized. Need to publish something new? Simply create your content once with Agent Jarvis, then schedule or publish it across multiple social platforms in just a few clicks. Whether you're managing your own brand, multiple client accounts, or running a full social media agency, Agent Jarvis keeps everything organized in one centralized dashboard. Spend less time managing social media and more time growing your audience and your business. Now, let's open Google Workspace. One of the biggest advantages of Agent Jarvis is that it works directly with the Google apps you already use every day. Instead of opening Gmail, Google Slides, Sheets, Docs, Calendar, Blogger, and Google Forms. Everything is controlled from one intelligent workspace. Let's explore most powerful features. Gmail. Here, you can manage your entire Gmail inbox, sent emails, purchases, scheduled emails, and email summaries, all in one place. You can also compose and send new emails directly from Agent Jarvis. No switching between tools, no jumping between tabs. Agent Jarvis manages all your email data from one simple workspace. Need presentations? Google Slides. Need a new presentation? Just enter your presentation topic or keyword and click Generate Content. Your AI structured slide content is ready with text, images, links, diagrams, and QR codes, all beautifully organized. Save your slides and your presentation is ready to go live. You can open it live, download it as a PDF, or delete it whenever you want. Let's check it out live. Now, let's explore Google Docs inside Agent Jarvis. Here, you can manage all docs, access all your documents in one place. You can also check Summarize Docs to view all your AI-generated document summaries. Need a new document? Just add your title and hit AI Write. Your complete document is ready instantly, and if you need to make any changes, simply edit it. Once it's ready, you can easily share your document. Google Sheets. Inside Agent Jarvis. Create, edit, organize, and manage your spreadsheets with AI, all in one place. Google Calendar. Create, manage, and organize your events, schedules, and meetings effortlessly. Blogger. Enter your topic, let AI write your blog, edit it, and get it ready to publish. Google Forms. Enter your form topic, let AI generate the questions, edit them, and create your form instantly. Finally, let's explore Business Finder. Finding new customers has never been easier. Simply choose a business category, select a location, and let Jarvis do the searching. Within moments, it discovers businesses complete with company names, websites, email addresses, phone numbers, and other valuable contact information. Build highly targeted prospect lists in minutes. Save leads. Organize your database. Export everything with a single click. Whether you're running cold email campaigns, building client lists, or growing your agency, Business Finder gives you qualified leads without the manual research. Your next customer could be just one search away. Now, let's visit the AI library. This is where all the images and videos created by Jarvis are automatically saved, so everything stays organized and easy to access. First, we have AI images. Simply describe the image you want, choose the number of outputs, and Jarvis instantly generates it for you. You can then preview, download, or delete any generated image, all from one place. Next, we have Generate AI Video. Just enter your video prompt, and Jarvis turns your idea into a complete AI-generated video. And that's your quick tour of Agent Jarvis. Work faster, automate smarter, grow without limits. Welcome to Agent Jarvis.
Regarding the bonuses, please visit the bonus page below this video and you can pick any bonus, purchase through my link, and send me a message to deliver them.